my YouTuber followers. This is Venus Corner, Bisaya Kinig. So this is watermelon. So itong lahat na watermelons pa galing dito sa Malaysia. Lantapan pala. I'm so sorry. So just imagine for that guys, I don't know how many kilos it's like. Pila ka kilos ganini siya sa isa ka ani? Five. Ako niya po mag-5. So, $14, 14 kilo na piso. Wow. So, don't you know, marami pong benepisyo itong mga watermelon. Number 1 is high of vitamin A and C. So, mataas po yung ano niya, yung vitamin C at saka low yung calorie niya, at saka wala siyang fat, no guys. So, this is good because especially it's yung mga summer, yung mga weather na ganito na mainit. So, this is good kasi pag ma-dehydrate ka, makain ka na ng melon. So, kasi melon has a 92% of water. Alam ba niyo yan? So, yan. So, kailangan makain kayo ng melon para maganda yung skin natin kasi marami po silang vitamin C. So, pag kulay na pink, kulay din pink ang mukha mo rin. Skin. So, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and also don't forget po yung comments po. Thank you so much.